Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I will show this. See, for this stitch we need multiple of 6 plus 3 plus 2 for edges. So here I cast on the stitches. Row 1 and 5 with slip 1 knit stitches. At the end of the row, we purl last stitch just for edge. Row 2, 4, 6, and 8 with slip 1, purl all the stitches. Row 3 with slip 1, purl 3 stitch together. 1, 2, purl 3 stitch together 1 time. Again, this 3 stitch we also need on loop 2, 2. Again, we purl this 3 stitch together. Knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, like this. Purl, knit, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, we purl 3 stitch together. 1, 2, knit like this, and purl the 3 like this. Last stitch we just purl for edge. With slip 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 3 stitch together like this. Knit 3 stitch together. Again, purl this 3 stitch together like this. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Last stitch we just purl like this.